It's almost that time of the year when Samsung begins to release their higher A series devices, that is the Galaxy A36 and the Galaxy A56. In this video, I'll be sharing all we know right now concerning the Galaxy A56 5G. Stuff like the release date, the specification, and the possible price right after you click on that like button and also that subscribe button as well. And with that being said, let's get started. Kicking things off with the possible release date, and this is based off of trends set by Samsung for the past 2 years. It's likely we're getting the Galaxy A56 at the middle of March. So expect the Galaxy A56 within the 15th to the 25th of March. As usual, the unboxing experience will just be the device and some paperwork. I think everyone is used to it at this point. Moving on to the device itself, the Galaxy A56 will retain the same form factor as previous generations. However, the camera bump has been tweaked a little bit. It's basically a black cover over the camera rings, and I think Samsung did this just to differentiate the Galaxy A56 5G from the just released Galaxy S23 Plus. I mean, if you look at the past 2 generations of the Galaxy S series and the Galaxy A50 series, you would realize that they look pretty much exactly the same. Only main differentiating factor is the color of these devices. Also, the Galaxy A56 5G is going to be made out of glass at the back with a protection of Corning Gorilla Glass and then an aluminum frame. Anyways, what do you think of this design refresh? Let us know in the comment section. The display of the Galaxy A56 is going to be a 6.7-inch 1080p Super AMOLED panel that supports a 120Hz refresh rate, always on display, and a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. You know, the standard stuff from Samsung. Software will be Android 15 with the latest One UI 7. Expect the absence of certain AI features that are exclusive to the Galaxy S23 series. That said, we should also be getting some AI features like circle to search, photo enhancer, and basic stuff we have on the current Galaxy A55 series. We are also expected to get at least 6 years of Android OS updates like we got on the Galaxy A16 5G. Powering the Galaxy A56 5G is the Exynos 1580, so no Snapdragon here. It is also rumored that we'll be getting a 5100 mAh battery, but personally I think we'll be getting a 5000 mAh battery because that's what we got on the Galaxy A16 5G. We are also likely to get faster charging at 45 watts, which is a much needed upgrade. I mean, smartphone at its price range offer more, like the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus with its 120 watts fast charging. And speaking of price, well, the Galaxy A56 is rumored to retain its $330 price for the 6GB of RAM variant and the 128GB of storage variant. That said, there are other variants like the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which will cost more. When it comes to performance, the Exynos 1580 is a significant upgrade when compared to the Exynos 1480 on the Galaxy A55 5G from last year, especially when it comes to benchmark scores. So I expect it to be able to play games even better than the Galaxy A55 5G. Well, we'll find out soon enough. Here are some other benchmark scores. As you can see, in terms of performance, it is quite comparable to the Snapdragon 888 from 3 years ago. No words on the camera yet, but if I am to guess, we will be getting the same camera specifications as last year's device. So a 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel macro. Take this with a grain of salt. Other features we are expecting is an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, eSIM support, water resistant, and a hybrid SIM card slot. And yeah, that's all we know on the Galaxy A56 currently. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.